Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Let's move on. Oh, by the way, there is a rally going on, or there's a new union, by the way, which segues into what we were just talking about. New union rallies at Uber headquarters with the core goal of winning union rights for gig workers.
Groceries and pay your rent.
Luis flew up from Southern California, where he lives and drives full-time for Lyft.
Wait, this dude flew up from SoCal. So he paid money for a flight to protest.
That's crazy.
I don't know. I don't know. What do you think about that?
I wouldn't spend money to go protest or rally. I'd rather just start a rally wherever I am.
You're already paying to drive, with gas in your car, and now you're paying to protest. I don't know. Honestly, it's these apps, they don't care. They really don't care. They're not gonna be
it's they have no empathy for their drivers.
Yeah, at the end of the day, they're trying to be profitable. They're not gonna be oh, drivers really need money. It's they know that. That's how they make money, is by profiting off of drivers not making that much money. I don't know.
Yeah.
You want to read this, or can you read this or no?
It's just lagging.
Yeah. But yeah, anyways, guys, massive rally for driver pay, and they're pushing for a statewide union. So we'll give you more updates if that actually does go through.